Nice launch trajectory and countdown net. Pad is clear.
10, 9, 8,
Launch auto sequence has started.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go for launch.
Vehicle is supersonic.
Stage separation confirmed. Stage 1 is transonic. Landing legs have deployed. And Falcon 9 has landed.